if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so y'all get notified when I upload something. And for those that's been watching and supporting, thank you so much, you guys. I truly appreciate you guys. It shows a lot. I'm just thankful and I'm blessed because my subscribers been going up. And I know it is a process, it's a step, you know, it takes time and stuff, but I'm grateful for what I have so far. And you know, been uploading, I know it's hard to like upload every, you know, at least twice a week is very hard because I work other lifestyle outside of, you know, YouTube, but I'm trying my best to upload for you guys as much as I can because, you know, I enjoy doing this. I enjoy talking to you guys and, you know, uploading and doing different things. And I know it's been a minute since I uploaded because I've been busy. And of course I had my photo shoot video for my 21st birthday. Make sure you guys do watch that. And also my vlog is coming up. Make sure you guys watch that also. And I am trying to do a Q&A for you guys. So for those that do have me on social media, if you don't have me on social media, I'm going to add my social media, Snapchat and Instagram, in the description down below. So make sure you guys do check that out, add me, and you guys can send me questions and stuff because I want to do like start doing little fun stuff here and there for you guys, answering questions so you guys can get to know me more, because I feel like you guys probably don't know me, but you guys don't know like too much about me, and I feel like it's that time that I do let you guys know more about me. That's been supporting. I already said I do thank you and appreciate you guys. And if you've been coming to my channel, you haven't subscribed, why are you not subscribing? Like, you should be supporting, okay? I mean, not should be, but you know, support your girl, whatever. And thank you guys so much. Let's get into today's video. In today's video, I'll pretty much be talking to you guys about this wonderful hair right here, which is my Peruvian deep wave hair. As you all can see, that I did do a hair review on it, but I've never like showed you guys how the hair looks when I wore the hair. And this hair I wore for my 21st birthday because, as you all know, that I did turn 21 April 8th, and this was my hair for my 21st birthday. And I didn't really get a chance to like tell you guys more about the hair, but I'm about to tell you guys more about it now. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch this video right now. Anyways, you guys, so this is a Peruvian deep wave hair, and I did get the hair from UNice hair. They are very nice people. They did like text me and stuff to make sure I got the hair. I did get the hair within 3 days of business day or whatever. The shipping was very fast, and it is 22/24/24. So I did get 3 bundles. As y'all can see, it's pretty long, it's pretty nice, and I just got out of the shower, so I did like kind of like conditioned it a little bit. I put some silicone in there, and then I kind of like conditioned it as well, because you're not supposed to let the silicone sit in there for too long. So I had the silicone, and then I had conditioned it, and then I washed it off, whatever. So that's why it looks like. I mean, it is a good hair, to be honest with you guys. It's a nice hair. A lot of people have been complimenting me on this hair. They like the hair, and you know, they've been asking where you get this hair from. So if you guys do wanna purchase some Peruvian deep wave hair, you guys can watch my previous video, and I do want to have the link for you guys so you guys can see this hair if you want to get you some bundles. And the only like bad thing about this hair, though, I wouldn't say it's bad because it's kind of like normal, is that it sheds. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm not used to hair shedding much, and of course it's curly hair, so I know like the hair do like the curls do get tangled up and stuff like that, so that's why like it kind of sheds. But I do try to keep it in good condition, so that way, you know, like if you want something to last, you have to take care of it. So I do take care of this hair as much as I can. At night before I go to sleep, I actually like twist the hair. I don't just leave it like that. Like some people, they go to sleep and their hair's just like hanging there. I don't do that. I make sure I moisturize it. I put some olive oil in there. I put some curly treatment in there. So I do take care of it. So if you guys do want a nice hair, a good quality hair, of course this hair is a good quality. So yeah, you guys, I do moisturize this hair every now and then. I make sure I put oil in it. I put conditioner. Just like any curly hair treatment, I always make sure that I do put some in the hair here and there, so that way it keeps the hair from looking nice. It keeps my curl looking healthy and just fresh. So yeah, you guys, I love the hair. It is a good quality hair. It has great reviews, and of course if you guys want some models, check it out. And appreciate you guys for coming to my channel. If you guys did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. This concludes the end of my hair review. I know it's very short because it's just, you know, a little bit about the hair, and I told you guys, kind of sheds a little. It's very soft, good quality, it fits me and I like it. You know, you just have to know how to work with the hair. And I think you guys, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.